Samsung is set to partner closely with Google to use Gemini on Galaxy devices. It's rumored that Gemini may be able to tap into Samsung's core apps on the Galaxy S25 series, including Samsung Notes and more. Samsung's collaboration with Google over artificial intelligence features primarily focused on Circle to Search in last year's Galaxy S24 series, but it seems the company will be leaning more on Gemini this time. Taking to X, a tipster shared screenshots of Gemini extensions for Samsung Notes, Calendar, and Reminder apps. It said that this will let Google's AI tap into, with user permission, those pre-installed Samsung apps to provide answers, to perform tasks, and more. For Samsung Calendar, Gemini's claim to create, edit, and delete events, including being able to create an event from an image, and Gemini could use Samsung's Reminder app to create, edit, or delete reminders, although it's limited in some functions. Moreover, Samsung's Notes will be able to add with Gemini the ability to not only create new notes, but summarize existing ones and retrieve your notes based on descriptions and titles. These features will most expectedly roll out alongside the Galaxy S25 series and Samsung's latest wave of Galaxy AI features, but the functionality will be tied into Google's app.